Lup jatend Kenya Rigathi Gachagua nyiso jolony mag yedhe e pachoka mondo kaw ng'ala manyime mar gayo weche mag tiyo kod yedhe makelo mer. Magi owacho e Mombasa e romo ma okelo kanyakla jolony go, kama bende okoni giseyango ni moko kuom weg dukni ma uso yedhe ema chiwo yedhe makelo mer e kind rowere. Joja oko nigi ler mathoth kowuok Mombasa.
Jalup jatend piny Kenya Rigathi Gachagua ne ochopo Mombasa mar yawo ayanga romo mar higa ka higa makelo kanyakla jolony mag yedhe midendo ni Pharmaceutical Society of Kenya. E romo no, Rigathi ne okone giseyango ni moko kuom jolony go ema nyayo wach tiyo gi yedhe mamero ji e yor chiwo yedhe mosefweny ni nyalo mero ji maonge oboke moro amora mowuok ir laktar.
We have a lot of young people even in this town of Mombasa getting a lot of syrups and mixing them with other things to get a very dangerous combination that is harmful to our children. I want to call upon all those professionals who run pharmacies and chemists to live up to your oath and just do the right thing. Please don't dispense drugs over the counter that are supposed to be dispensed upon a prescription.
Ne bende okwayo jolony go mondo mi oti kanyakla gi piny owacho e yor yango jo black masani ohonore ohand yedhe go to kata kamano gionge kod oboke kata lony mowinjore.
I want to request that you as society works with us and we are willing to pair you up with our county security and intelligence teams to crack down on unlicensed pharmacists and chemists, shut them down, destroy the drugs, and take the people who are running them to jail where they belong.
Jatend migao mar thieth Susan Nakumicha ne kata kamano okoni piny owacho temo matek mar tiyo gi jolony e bero ngima oganda jo Kenya. Magi ne owacho kata bang' yangore ni jo Kenya mathoth nyiewo yedhe magitiyo godo kata kapok gineno laktar.
We can have the best equipment, but if we don't take care of the people to use the equipment and work in those facilities, then we'll not be able to provide the required health services for our people.
We know from this drug utilization research that somewhere between 25% to 70% of hospital patients receive antibiotics during their stay. We also know that from this research that not all of that care is appropriate. And we know there are considerable issues around the use of antimicrobials. Now we want to keep this important use of medicines for patients that need them, but we also want to reserve them and not use them where they're not necessary.
Iseche gogo, jalup jatend piny ne onyiero jogo mase kuom loso gi dhogi e seche ma obago romo gi ogandane.
Sio itakuwa ni majivuno na maringo. Tuwache madharau. Tuwache. Let's be simple people. Because it's good to be simple. And let's not pretend that we are what we are not. And nobody should ever feel embarrassed about your origin, your identity, and your language. Hizo vitu ulipatiwa na Mwenyezi Mungu bure without any application. And God never told you where to be born and among which people. Hiyo ni mambo ya Mwenyezi Mungu ndiyo alipanga.
George Aoko, Ramogi TV, Mombasa.